is quite heavy materials we talk about. Okay. Splinters, a lot of splinters, and you can see the ring of the glass standing in. That means that the frame is very important and also needs to be a part of the test. So I can deliver which type of glass you like to, but you need to ensure that the frame system is approved according to. It was the P6B, and now we have this one here.
And recommend.
Yeah, okay.
And then it comes.
Okay, thanks. It's for the classification P2A, and it's the challenge is to get a hole as big as you can get a hand in and open the window. Again, P2A, I just said it was a low classification, but you can see it protects you a little bit better than normal glass. And then we have P6B, and we count how many times he used the X. And it's laminated glass.
Right in the straight line, but it doesn't matter. The next one, go open the plug.
So you can see it was the same glass type that he froze the stone on. Now they're using X, and that's the difference. You can go through with an X. But again, time is important. I just show you one thing here, which has been very popular in good old days. It was what we call wild glass. Hopefully you do not use it very much any longer. It's from 19 centimeters distance, and you go through the glass. And the accident happens when you take your arm back, because then you'll be cut of all these glass. I just show you our Parafish glass. It's tested from 150. You can see the wheel up here. So that will reach level 1 C1 according to EN 12,600. Okay, I think you have seen that. It's a polyguard version. Just you can say maybe you have done this before, but you will never. You can see the structure in the glass. It's never. Yeah. Yes,
It's not
fantastic.
That's probably not the best way to do it, but then
Yeah.
it works.
Yeah, just show you a P8B data sheet with technical specifications, reaction according to European norm, maximum glass dimension, thickness, tolerances, and so on. And here we have description of the makeup of the glass and the weight. Yes, I think what's basically what I have about protect glass. If you do not have, if you have some questions, that is use the last 10 minutes to questions.
What about if you need fire safety glass and protective glass at the same place?
Yeah, we can. The idea is that we can change one of the glass in the fire resistant glass and change that with such a type of glass here. So we can make the combination in one. It will, it's, of course it will change the thickness of the glass, but it's possible to do that. So we can combine it in so many different ways. Okay.
Spurningar?
Then we maybe should. I know you are allowed to be here to 10 o'clock.
Yes.
So I have some movies concerning fire. I will show you.